Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Khatlai tarik ulber arhajar arpo henrio. Kinoyalam ke Bharatiya Janata Party ke berkentopi Presiden ke BJP hakajila Urikman G Momin hakajin sananlang UMLA uba AL Hek udong aiktian ke BJP uba M Kharkrang bat kiwede kele kendo yulat kajila UCH Vijaya Shankar ban Kyrpad yu bon khot Pynlong ya Dorbar bekerpang Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Habagran Shakilat Patai Kabor hadian kecinalang uba M Kharkrang ulet ho bagino yalam ke parti ke lepun sengo haulat halor ke jingja besngosi ke berangshan hari lum garo kamtam hasor tura kegenhuan ke letai halor kidau ke Pynlong ya ke jingja bad kentu ya ulat ban shim ki senjam ke Kyrkieh halor kene uba Kharkrang ulaong ba ke parti kalau Kyrpad ya ulat ban penenkam ya ke bor ke udan kat kum kariti sensyar kari ban khot ya Dorbar Kerpang Ghadc kenang banyatai halor kejing Pynkylla ya ki Kyndon jongga council katkum ke BJP kani kejing Pynkylla ke baki terwa kalong ba uno ugatong ubay khun ya ke MDC nang Garo Hills udai bandan ya ke Sernot scheduled tribe ke babiang kinong yalam ke BJP ke legenturu ya ulat ban shim khiai kani ke kam kloi kenang banwan rabiang ya kejing shong sok shong shangan hagathan rilum Garo uba Kharkrang ulet ho ba ulat ulakular ban pet banya ya kani kam bat un sashim jingmut katkum ka an shuwa ban shim ya ki weipat ki sinjang ula ban rabru bakani kejia kaja kalami namar karukom penmi ya kejing penbena ka bakhlemla ban yeng katkum kejing bishar ka an uba Kharkrang ula ongru ban namar ka district council kaladan lupa kani ka kam kalade ban penbena nadu kham hashwa omban shu penbena tang khandiat sngi shuwa ki election ka ba ula ong ba ka penmi shibun ki jingkali Hagaju kapor UMLA ke BJP uba AL Hek uloong bakadang kloi palat ban krani halor kani kakam bat ulat unsa pule benya shwa ya kamat katkum ki Kyndon kariti sensyar kari shwa ban penmi ya kanu kejing penbena.
Led by the president of the BJP, Meghalaya BJP, and led by the president and our MLA, Mr. AL Hek, met with the Honorable Governor to impress upon him the unfortunate incident that has happened in Garo Hills in general and in Tura town in particular. And we had discussed with him the reasons behind this incident that has happened. And we had also requested the governor to convene a special session of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, whereby he is authorized by the Constitution, so that the issue of amending the rules can be taken up, that anyone who wants to contest as an MDC from Garo Hills should have a scheduled tribe certificate. And we requested the Honorable Governor also to take up this issue at the earliest, so that normalcy and peace again prevails in Garo Hills. Thank you.
What was too early to say anything about that? He had to study as per the Constitution. After that, only he will take his own
what was his view when you?
Frankly, government any view. He's taken a neutral view of all the incidents, but he will seek. He will consult the legal experts now. Then subsequently, that he will take up his decisions. So, governor has not given any commitment. He will take up so that whatever action he does has to stand scrutiny from the legal point of view. An unfortunate incident has happened, and the way that the notification was issued and subsequently which did not stand the legal scrutiny. So, but the thing is, this council has been there for the last 5 years. These things could have been taken up earlier, but taken up just before the elections. So that raises a lot of questions.
May ula kampai kamat may debat ka jing ka action jong ka jala nei pi inem bang kan chief minister jong ka jala me jadi bunbut ya ka dian jet jong chief minister jong ka asam
chief minister jugi rukit kya kita ngam he has taken every ula shim lo ke bedai bu ne kun chief minister ula le kata kamram ko ju tingim la benong bau chief minister klem le ula le kamram ko le kun chief minister ula le Kyndon jing ujo da hilor gan ta
ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap Ïakren ya penbek ki kamru kumangalong ya pimenem don kamra songkai ni songing. Ïakren hang ni barako. Kata kalong ka tarkom im yang diri undai. Langit ndagi beriu kali abe kata ka. Kum ka juk ka bamta kan. Kanduk kani ka jong uman barim. Bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladu.